I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that day. Bitches on my line, and you know they come straight. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope it cash like whoa. How you fucking with these hoes up?
Jim is snacking on crispy, crunchy, and super savory Indonesian tempe mendoan. Follow my recipe to cook tempe mendoan to snack on anytime you like.
2, 3, 4.
Add the sliced green onions into the wet flour mixture and mix it. And then dip the tempeh to the mixture. After that, remove the tempeh, then add it to the dry flour and mix it well. Next, turn on the stove, then heat the oil over medium heat. And then put the tempeh into the heated oil. Fry until brown. The last step is remove the tempeh, then place it on the plate and serve. Pour the soy sauce into the container, then add the chilies and mix it well. And now mendoan tempe is ready to be served.
Wait a minute! Who are you?